Imagine a world where you can print anything you need, from a new house to a custom-fit dress, or even a new organ for a loved one. This is not science fiction. It's the 3D printing revolution. This technology is poised to disrupt traditional manufacturing, shattering the boundaries of what we've known as possible. Customization, accessibility, and speed all are being redefined by the power of 3D printing. And we're only just getting started. Welcome to the future of 3D printing. But what exactly is 3D printing and how does it work? At its core, 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process that creates physical objects from a digital model. Here's how it works. The digital model is sliced into thin layers by computer software. These slices serve as a guide for the 3D printer, which then deposits materials layer by layer to build the object. The materials can range from plastic to metal to even biological matter. Imagine constructing a building, brick by brick. In a similar vein, 3D printers construct objects, layer by layer. But instead of bricks, they use materials in a powdered or liquid form, which are then solidified. The beauty of this process is that it allows for intricate designs and complex structures, which would be difficult, if not impossible, to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. Now that we understand the basics, let's explore how 3D printing is changing industries. Imagine building a house in just 24 hours. Now that's a reality with 3D printing. This transformative technology is revolutionizing the construction industry, bringing changes that were once only a figment of our imagination. With 3D printing, we can now build homes and other structures faster, more efficiently, and at a fraction of the cost. This isn't just about speed and cost effectiveness, it's about possibilities. Think of the potential for disaster relief, quickly constructing temporary housing for those affected or providing affordable housing solutions in areas of poverty. But it's not just about the practicality, it's also about the creativity. The freedom of design that 3D printing offers architects is unprecedented. We can now build structures with complex designs that were once deemed impossible with traditional methods. 3D printing is not just building houses, it's building a more sustainable future. It's a game changer, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. Who needs a tailor when you have a 3D printer? That's right, we're diving into the world of fashion through the lens of 3D printing. This revolutionary technology is transforming the way we dress, allowing designers to create custom-fit clothing and intricate designs with a click of a button. Imagine a world where you can download your favorite dress design, input your measurements, and watch as your unique, perfectly fitting garment comes to life. That's the power of 3D printing in fashion. Not only does it offer customization on a whole new level, but it also promises to reduce waste and overproduction, a significant issue in the fashion industry today. Moreover, it's not just about everyday wear. 3D printing is also making waves in high fashion, with designers using it to create intricate, avant-garde pieces that push the boundaries of what's possible in fashion design. Fashion meets function in the world of 3D printing. From prosthetics to bioprinting, 3D printing is revolutionizing healthcare. Imagine a world where a lost limb doesn't mean a lifetime of struggle, but a few hours in a 3D printing lab. That's the reality today. Custom prosthetics tailored to the individual's body and needs are now within reach, thanks to the precision and versatility of 3D printing technology. But it's not stopping at prosthetics. The realm of bioprinting is emerging, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Scientists are experimenting with 3D printing human organs. Yes, you heard it right, human organs. The heart, kidney, liver, you name it. This could potentially eradicate the organ donor shortage, saving countless lives. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Drug companies are exploring 3D printed medication, allowing for personalized dosages and combinations, and researchers are looking into 3D printed skin for burn victims. Healthcare is just beginning to scratch the surface of what 3D printing can do. Ever fancied a 3D printed snack? Well, the future of food might just be in 3D printing. This isn't just about printing sugar sculptures or chocolate bunnies, it's about revolutionizing how we prepare and consume food. Imagine a world where your meal is printed according to your dietary needs and taste preferences. A world where every bite is calculated for your health. The technology of 3D printed food is still in its infancy, but it's already showing great potential. It could help reduce food waste by using only the exact amount of ingredients needed. It could also create meals that are nutritionally balanced and customized for each individual, making it a potential game changer for those with special dietary needs. This isn't just about convenience, it's about sustainability and personalization. From printing food in space for astronauts to creating intricate culinary designs, 3D printing is cooking up a storm in the culinary world. So, what does the future hold for 3D printing? Let's take a moment to gaze into the crystal ball. It's quite clear that 3D printing is not a passing trend. Instead, it's an innovative technology that's poised to become mainstream in homes and businesses. Imagine a world where instead of heading to the store for a new household item, you simply print it at home. In business, the potential is equally staggering. Customization will take on a whole new level as businesses can manufacture products tailored to individual customer needs. The days of mass-produced, one-size-fits-all products could become a thing of the past. In the healthcare sector, we've already seen the life-changing impact of 3D printing, from prosthetics to organ transplants. This is just the beginning. And let's not forget about construction. The concept of printing houses is no longer science fiction, but a reality that's already happening. The future of 3D printing is limited only by our imagination. But it's not all smooth sailing for 3D printing. As promising as this technology is, it's not without its share of challenges. Key among these are technical limitations. While we've seen impressive developments, the fact remains that 3D printers can't yet handle all materials or achieve the precision of traditional manufacturing methods. Equally significant are the regulatory hurdles. As 3D printing expands into areas like medicine and construction, it ventures into heavily regulated territories. Standards and regulations need to be established and navigated, which can be a time-consuming process. And let's not forget the environmental concerns. Yes, 3D printing can reduce waste by using only the material needed, but the source materials are often plastics, which aren't exactly eco-friendly. Additionally, the energy consumption of 3D printers is another factor to consider. Despite these challenges, the potential of 3D printing remains vast and largely untapped. The road ahead may be tough, but it's a journey worth taking for the transformative impact it can have on our lives. 3D printing is more than just a technology, it's a tool for empowerment. A statement that goes beyond the realms of science fiction. It's our reality today. This revolutionary technology is empowering individuals and businesses alike to create, innovate, and customize like never before. Imagine a world where your ideas could be brought to life, right before your eyes. From crafting intricate jewelry designs to building prototypes for new inventions, 3D printing allows us to transform our abstract ideas into tangible, real-world objects. For businesses, the implications are vast. Customization is no longer a costly and time-consuming process. With 3D printing, businesses can tailor products to individual customer needs, rapidly and cost-effectively. It's a game changer, leveling the playing field for small businesses and fostering innovation on a global scale. So, whether you're an aspiring inventor, a creative enthusiast, or a business owner, remember this: with 3D printing, the power to create is in your hands. Now that you've seen the transformative potential of 3D printing, we want to hear from you. Imagine the possibilities, the innovations that could be brought to life. What do you envision for the future of 3D printing? What would you create if you had your own 3D printer right now? We're eager to hear your thoughts, your dreams, your creative ideas. Don't hold back. Share your creative ideas in the comments, and let's shape the future of 3D printing together. But wait, there's more. Not only is 3D printing revolutionizing industries, it's also making waves in education. Imagine a school where instead of reading about the pyramids of Giza or the human heart in a textbook, students can create a 3D model and explore it hands-on. This is the reality in classrooms that have embraced 3D printing. This technology is not just a tool for interactive learning, it's an avenue for enhancing creativity and problem-solving skills. Students are learning to design, prototype, and iterate, skills that are invaluable in the modern world. Furthermore, 3D printing plays a pivotal role in STEM education. It brings abstract concepts to life, making complex ideas easier to understand and sparking an interest in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. In essence, 3D printing is shaping the minds of the next generation, preparing them for a future where this technology could be as commonplace as the computers we use today. So, let's start the conversation about 3D printing in education and how we can harness its potential to create a brighter future. 3D printing is not just a tool for industries or education, it's also a canvas for artists. Yes, you heard it right. Artists are embracing 3D printing to create masterpieces. This technology has opened up a whole new world of possibilities for artistic expression. Imagine creating sculptures with such intricate details that were previously impossible to achieve by hand. From geometric designs to organic forms, the possibilities are endless. 3D printing allows artists to push the boundaries, creating unique and complex structures that challenge the conventional norms of art. It's not just about creating a physical object, but about exploring the relationship between space, form, and technology. Artists are able to experiment with different materials, colors, and textures, giving them greater freedom to express their vision. But the impact of 3D printing on the art world doesn't stop there. It's also democratizing art. Now anyone with access to a 3D printer can create their own sculptures, bringing art into homes and classrooms. It's inspiring a new generation of artists who are not bound by traditional methods and materials. In essence, 3D printing is redefining the boundaries of art. It's a medium that combines creativity with technology, and the results are truly breathtaking. So let's embrace this new era of artistic expression, where the only limit is our imagination. From the depths of the oceans to the highest peaks, 3D printing is making its mark everywhere. But did you know that it's even reaching for the stars? Yes, the potential of 3D printing is also being explored in the realm of space exploration. NASA and other space agencies around the world are looking at how this technology can help us reach farther into the cosmos. Imagine being able to print tools, spare parts, or even habitats right there on Mars or the Moon. It could dramatically reduce the weight of spacecraft, making space travel more efficient and sustainable. By using materials found on other planets, we could build structures to shelter astronauts from harsh conditions, or create devices to assist in scientific research. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. 3D printing could be a game changer for future space missions, reducing the reliance on Earth for supplies and enabling longer, more ambitious journeys. With 3D printing, we're not just creating objects, we're potentially shaping the future of space exploration. Because with 3D printing, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. So let's strap in, blast off, and see where this technology can take us. From the vastness of space, let's bring our focus back to our home planet. Did you know that 3D printing could also play a crucial role in protecting our environment? Indeed, the potential for 3D printing to reduce waste is one of its most promising aspects. Traditional manufacturing methods often produce a lot of waste, as excess materials are discarded. However, 3D printing is an additive process, meaning it only uses the exact amount of material needed, minimizing waste. But that's not all. The use of sustainable materials in 3D printing is another area of exploration. Researchers are investigating the use of biodegradable and recycled materials, which could significantly decrease the environmental impact of production. Furthermore, by producing items on demand and closer to the point of use, 3D printing could reduce shipping and storage, helping to lower our carbon footprint. So, while 3D printing is revolutionizing how we create and produce, it could also be a vital tool for sustainability, helping us to protect and preserve our precious planet for future generations. Because with 3D printing, we're not just creating objects, we're potentially shaping a more sustainable future. Stay tuned as we delve more into the fascinating world of 3D printing. As we've seen throughout this video, 3D printing has the extraordinary potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. From building and fashion to healthcare, food, education, and art, the transformative power of this technology is truly mind-blowing. But as with any powerful tool, it comes with its own set of challenges. We've discussed some of them, from the need for a deeper understanding of the technology to the environmental considerations. Yet the opportunities far outweigh the hurdles. The future of 3D printing is not just about creating objects, it's also about creating a more sustainable, efficient, and creative world. So let's embrace the 3D printing revolution. After all, the future isn't something that happens, it's something we make. And with 3D printing, that future is here, and it's exciting. Stay tuned.